Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our arcade trivia September 2024 week 3 third lab solution, which is going to be use Google Forms with Google Sheets. Before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the previous two lab. ये जो previous two lab हैं सबके solution upload हो चुके हैं, week 2 के भी solution upload हो चुके हैं. How you can access them? Simply in the form of the playlist. The playlist is available on the channel, or you can simply access this playlist from the link in the description box or by clicking on the I button. कई सारे भी हैं, या तो आप description से एक्सेस कर लें या वीडियो के आई बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो भी आप इस प्लेलिस्ट पे रिडायरेक्ट हो जाएंगे. नाउ सिंपली कमिंग बैक टू द लैब, ओपन द लैब. इट वुड बी अ इजी लैब, ज्यादा कुछ करना नहीं है. सिंपली स्टार्ट द लैब एंड दिस टाइम वी विल बी वर्किंग विद द गूगल फॉर्म्स. हमने गूगल शीट्स के साथ वर्क करके देख लिया, हमने गूगल क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ वर्क किया, अब हम गूगल फॉर्म्स के साथ वर्क करेंगे. तो क्या करना है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉपी द पासवर्ड. दिस इज द पासवर्ड. कॉपी इट, राइट क्लिक अपॉन ओपन गूगल ड्राइव एंड ओपन इट इन इनकॉग्निटो विंडो ओनली. इनकॉग्निटो मोड में ही ओपन करेंगे. हिट एंटर बटन, पेस्ट द पासवर्ड दैट वी जस्ट कॉपीड, हिट एंटर बटन वंस अगेन, and we get logged in into the Google account. So click on I understand and we have to create a new Google form. Okay. So we will be redirecting to the Google Drive. अब ड्राइव का फोल्डर यहाँ मिल जाएगा. क्या करना है? Simply click on this new button, go to the Google Forms, click on next button, cut it, simply cut it, click on new, click on Google Forms, and it will create a new Google form for us. Okay. So first of all, we need to give a title for this form. So click on the task number 1 from the right panel and copy this title on the rice bakery survey. Copy it very carefully. Don't copy any extra spacing. Spacing का बहुत ध्यान रखना, कोई भी extra spacing नहीं होनी चाहिए. Click on this untitled form, paste the title, hit enter button, and click on this untitled form here also, and you will see the title is get updated. Click on this cross button. For the description, simply type being notified एंड सब्सक्राइब. दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट. इसके अलावा आपको ग्रीन टिक नहीं मिलेगा. अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब करके नहीं रखा है तो ग्रीन टिक नहीं मिलेगा लैब में, क्योंकि सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहे होंगे. ओके, नाउ सिंपली कमिंग बैक टू द लैब, वन बाय वन वी विल कंप्लीट ऑल द थिंग्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कॉपी दिस होल फर्स्ट नेम रिक्वायर्ड, कॉपी इट वेरी केयरफुली. अगेन स्पेसिंग का ध्यान रखना, कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा स्पेसिंग ना हो. पेस्ट ऑन द एंटायर क्वेश्चन, पेस्ट द क्वेश्चन विद दैट वी जस्ट कॉपीड. मेक श्योर इट इज शॉर्ट आंसर्ड. क्लिक ऑन दिस प्लस बटन from here. In the same similar manner, we will select last name, copy it, and make sure you don't copy the full stop at the end. ये छोटा सा full stop दिख रहा है ना एंड में, ये कॉपी नहीं करना है. ओके, now come back to the lab, paste it here. Again, it should be short answer. Click on the plus button, come back to the lab once again, and now we will click on this email address, copy it. Email address should be also a short answer, so paste it here and make sure it's a short answer. Now click on plus again. Now we have to create a multiple option question, so copy the question first of all. Come back to here, paste it here under the question, and one by one we will get the option. Okay, so for the option, come back to here, copy the option, copy it for the first option, paste it in the option number 1. Similarly for the option number 2, select it, copy it, come back to here, click on add option, paste it here, come back to here for the third one, copy the whole donut pose, copy it, come back to the lab, click on add option, paste the third option, copy the fourth option, the plain bagel, copy it, come back to here, click on add option, paste it here, scroll down, copy the last option, bagel and egg cheese, copy it, come back to here, click on add option, paste it. Now we are done with this. हमारा ये वाला भी क्वेश्चन जनरेट हो चुका है. Coming back to the lab, copy the last question, copy it, come back to here, click on the plus icon, paste it here, and make it short answer. Okay, it should be short answer, and this was the choose with these 5 options. Okay, so yes, all correct. Yes, instead of time, select the short answer here, and we are done with this. Once we come back to the lab and click on the check my progress, we will get the green tick here. Assessment is completed. Now what we need to do, simply come back to the lab, click on these responses, and we will click on the link to sheets, and yes, click on create, wait for it to get loaded. Now from the bottom most, click on this arrow drop down icon and click on duplicate. Okay, so we are here. Now we will click on the file, click on import, and go to the description of this video. In the description, आपको description में जाना है. In the description, you will get a file, .xls file. Or yes, let me show you. In the description, what you will get is the link, first of all, of this GitHub repository. This GitHub repository contains the file qwiklab1064.xlsx file. This is the file that you need to download. तो कैसे download करेंगे? Simply click on this button, download raw file. Once you click on this, it will start it to download. ये एक XLS file है, Excel file है, यानी कि आपको इसे download करना है. Simply come back to the lab, come back to here, click on upload button, click on browse, upload that file that we just downloaded. इसे download कर लेंगे. Click on open button. Wait for it to get loaded. And now what we need to do, click on this create new spreadsheet and click on replace a spreadsheet. हमें इसे replace करना है. Click on this, click on import data, and we are done with this. जैसे हमारे import हो जाएगा data, we click on the got it button, and yes, okay, let's try to refresh the page. Oh yes, the data is now loaded. Simply come back to the lab. So now, and one by one, you will get the green tick for all the check my progresses. Click on it, you will get the green tick here. Assessment completed. Similarly for this. अगर आपको चेक माय प्रोग्रेस पे ग्रीन टिक फर्स्ट वाले टास्क में नहीं मिला है जिसमें हमने क्वेश्चंस ये वाले किए थे, सो मेक श्योर आप सही से इस क्वेश्चन को कॉपी पेस्ट किया हो सकता है कि फर्स्ट वाले टास्क में ही आपको एरर आने लगे, आपको यहाँ पर ग्रीन टिक नहीं मिले, दैट्स बिकॉज प्योरली कि आपने यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसे कॉपी पेस्ट करने में या क्वेश्चन जनरेट करने में दिक्कत की है या एरर किया है. सो मेक श्योर इफ यू गेट द एरर इन द फर्स्ट टास्क, you recheck the questions and the answers. Okay, now come back to here. Get the green tick for the remaining task. Click on it. You will get the green tick here for sure. You can see assessment completed. Same for the last task. Click on it. You will get the green tick in it as well. With this, our lab is completed. Congratulations. You can click on the end lab button. Click on end lab button once again. Give the star rating that you want to give. Click on the submit button. Come back to main page to verify whether we get the green tick or not. Main page पे आएंगे, check करेंगे green tick मिला है या नहीं. Scroll down करते हैं. Open करेंगे and you can see we get the green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. Okay, so if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Goodbye.